Hello and welcome back to Engineering 101, Lecture 3-16. And this lecture will be on digital inputs. So we will add a push button, which will be our digital input. And we now know from the previous lectures that you either need to have a pull down or pull up resistor. So I am now getting out a 10 kilo ohm resistor to put in series with one pin on my push button. And I am going to make it a pull up resistor, which means I am going to tie that resistor to 5 volts. And the other side of the button, I am going to tie to ground. So now I need to have a wire that goes to the meeting point of the button and the resistor. And that wire is going to go to pin 7. So now I am going to write the code so that when I press the button, the LEDs will turn on. So I need an input, and the input is going to be a digital read on pin 7. But remember, this is graphical. So in the graphical programming, it's a little bit different, but I do need to have a control that, or an if condition that says when I digital read pin 7, if it reads low, that means the button is pressed. So that's what I'm doing now, is I'm adding the code to digital read pin 7. And so that when it is 0, it will make the lights turn on. And when I don't press the button, the lights will turn off. So now we're going to start the simulation. And when I hold down the button, you're going to see here only one light came on. That means I made a mistake, part of troubleshooting and debugging. I need to go back and figure out why is the red LED on and the blue one is not. So if I go back in my code, I realize that I have a typo in here. And the typo is that I do not have the blue LED in here. So I'm now going in and I'm adding the blue LED, which was on pin 11, so that it works as well. And now when I hold the button down, they both go. You should try this out and stay STEM-tastic.